Beat hunger. Cook and eat on a new. Buy, or rather find on the internet, cookbooks for thrifty housewives. Numerous accounts on social networks are also useful, where they describe in detail cheap, simple and surprisingly tasty and unusual recipes. Introduce a variety of poor people's dishes into your daily diet. This is necessary to use little remnants of food that are compatible with each other. From a traditional point of view, each type of which is not enough for one full serving. In a crisis, you should not listen to snobs. It is important to remember, almost all the great recipes of the national cuisines of the world are based on the food of the poor people. The best example is Japanese cuisine, turned into something exquisite by the world. Sushi is food poor fishermen who went to fish with a lump of boiled rice. Unable to make a fire, they caught fish and ate it raw in the boat, in small pieces, with a lump of rice and seaweed. This was done to keep as much fish as possible for sale and to minimize costs for yourself. You need to use the skills of other peoples who created economical and delicious dishes from the remains of a variety of foods. In Italy, countless pizzas and pastas have been such dishes, in which even now they put everything that comes under the arm. In the south of France and Spain, bouillabaisse, thick soup made from all fish leftovers that could not be sold. In Europe, oatmeal and a variety of pies. In some regions of China, dumplings and various vegetable soups. Scrambled eggs can perform the same function, in which you can put the remnants of almost any food. Various vegetable salads do an excellent job with this. The conclusion is simple. In times of crisis, any leftover food must be reused to prepare new, simple and tasty dishes. Changing your eating habits, you will save a lot of money.